Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Cleona, which is an ancient Irish name meaning the foam of the wave. I'm a concert pianist usually based in London, but currently in isolation in the west of Ireland. In my new series, Sounds of Isolation, I will share some of my favourite music with you directly from my living room to yours. I hope you'll join me as we explore 400 years of sound from around the world. In these troubled times, we all need beauty to nourish us, uplift us, and feed the soul. To keep up to date with this series, please hit subscribe below, and in the description you'll find ways to follow me on other social media platforms. I look forward to seeing you all very soon.